तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का कहना है कि भारत ने मकबूजा कश्मीर में जुल्म और बर्बरियत की दास्तान रकम की है और मुसलसल कर रहा है। गुज़िश्ता सिर्फ एक हफ्ते में 9 बेगुनाह अफराद को शहीद कर दिया गया और 12 अफराद पैलेट गन्स का निशाना बने। सैयद अली गिलानी की अपील पर कश्मीरी कल यौम एहतजाज मना रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान भारतीय मजालिम की भरपूर मजम्मत करता है। हफ्तावार ब्रीफिंग के दौरान तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना है,
इंडियन ऑक्यूपेशन फोर्सेस आर कंटिन्यूअसली एंगेज्ड इन ceasefire violations at the LOC and the working boundary. The civilians in villages and populated areas are continuously being targeted by Indian occupation forces from across LOC. India has deliberately escalated tension at LOC and the working boundary in order to divert international community's attention from the grave human rights violations in IOK, which its occupation forces are committing over there. While we have no desire to escalate the situation, Pakistani armed forces would respond effectively to any unprovoked violations from the Indian side. We have always exercised restraint. We have cautioned the Indian belligerence is a threat to regional peace and security. We have cautioned India from making any strategic miscalculation. It appears that India is seeking conflict with Pakistan.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया का मजीद कहना था,
You are aware that Afghanistan is in turmoil for the last 40 years, which has created space for terrorists and those promoting terrorism in our region who do not have interest in peace and stability in Afghanistan. Their activities, especially our neighboring country promoting state-sponsored terrorism, are detrimental to not only Afghanistan but also to Pakistan. Situation in Afghanistan are a common challenge for both Afghanistan and Pakistan. Therefore, besides measures pertaining to border management, both sides need to closely coordinate with each other in our mutual interest and beware of detractors who are enemies of Pakistan-Afghan relations.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी, समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज TNN TV।